Etiko, did you hear him well? 2.5 million naira.
Boka, give food overnight.
Where's having one? Where's having one? Let me kill you! Jerry, on your way, Jeremiah! If I catch Etiko or whatever he calls himself, I'm going to kill him.
Do not make me forget that you're my brother. Look away and deal with you.
So I have to bring you 100,000 naira before you commence with the treatment. What is my mother?
I will run inside of you. I will enter inside your way. You get me. I'm going to get me here. Tell Jeremiah that I'm ready to fight.
I am talking about how we're going to leave this village from this whole problem step and inch and prepare for my burial. It is either Jerry or no one else.
Stay away from my wife.
I cannot stay away from Ujuma. I am not stepping down for Jerry.
Take me to my husband. I'm sure he must be looking for me by now.
I am your husband.
No, you are not my husband.
Warn your daughter to leave my children alone.
Because they are not the only men in this community. I am telling you something that is important to me. Which home are you talking about? Who is going home with you?
If you make me warn you again, your funeral will be the next update.
Jeremiah!
Which way you're going now? I know I'm nothing before you because of your money. But you don't have any right whatsoever to lock up my mother's shop. For what reason?
The mother of whom I love is not feeling fine. You want me to stay? I'll sell my house. I'll sell everything. I'll sell my car. I'll sell my shop. I'll sell everything. I'll sell myself if that's what is required to save her. Mama, if your son dares to sell that land, they will leave you alone. I will use him for ritual.
I want to drink water pepe and die.
My mind is made up. I am not going back. My name is Ezekwesili. I'm not a weakling.
Show me Ezekwesili. I leave the both of us. I will never move Ezekwesili today. I swear with the swine of my father, if I don't kill Ezekwesili today, change my name. Papa Jeremiah. I'm going to deal with him.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.